Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today this is an all of a sudden video, but we will be unboxing a lamp, which is an RGB lamp. I just got it on a whim on a blanket, so let's go ahead and check. It's some Chinese brand only, but let's go ahead and check that out. So as you see, this is the lamp. This is called as rose diamond cable lamp, USB charging touch lamp, and it's rechargeable, long life, USB charging, 12 hours, light color change, 3 light intensities, tactile switch. I actually can't say anything about these lights because this is also a Chinese brand, but it's this bright. So I cannot go ahead and say anything. Even this one is a Chinese brand, which I did unbox. They are good. So this is the packing. So this is the package. It's very simplistic package. You have a USB charger cables. If you see, the number of USB cables I have now has become so much. So let's move this mouse this side so you can have a better view of this. So we'll move all the rest that side. This is the only cable we require. And let's pull up the lamp over here. So this is the base, as you can see. This is the charging port, and this is the light as whole. So it's supposed to light, but there must be a switch for that. And let me try to figure out where is the switch, or if there is any charge in it left. Even that's a doubt for me. So let's see the, just touch the surface to switch it on, off light, keep touching in order to diminish the light. That's the whole thing given. Let me see if there's any other spare part along with it. Nope. The same thing in Chinese and Russian. That's the surface. I'm touching all the surfaces, but nothing is happening. So let me just put this on charge. Oh, not bad. This is a type C cable. Not at all bad. You never try to get a type C cable for such lamps. So I do have a charging port over here. Let me just quickly switch on the plug for that. If you see, there's a big green here, so you won't be able to notice, but there's a green light lighting over here. Let me see if anything happens. So let me just pause the video over here. We'll leave it for some time for charging, and we'll come and test this then. Okay guys, I just went ahead and tested this. It's kind of working now. So what all you have to do is, inside, if I'm not able to show you, but there's a chipset over here. I think so you can see this one. It's touch sensitive. So when you touch this, the light starts up and it gives a good glow around. You can see my hands for that. That's the only way I can show this. If you press the same thing again, the light changes. Again, the light changes. Just have to give a gentle tap over here. It's just charging and I'm showing you that. That's how you're supposed to change the lamp light. I do have a RGB remote. I'm not sure whether it works with this, but let me try something. Oh yeah, it does work. If you use an RGB remote, you can use it to switch it off, switch it on, flash, strobe it, different colors will come. You can fade it, changing its colors. Blue. There's just few colors in it, not many are coming. But this one I do like the color. It looks very elegant. You see this? I'm keeping it like this because you will not be able to see the whole beauty of this. Let me try to come in my front cam. Let me try to disconnect this. I don't know how much charge is there. Let me just try to show you. So this is the color. It changes its colors and the charge went off. So let me just put it back in the charge and switch it on. So as you can see, the color just changes over here. And if you double tap it or triple tap it, it'll be changing its colors. Even that you can do. Like this, it'll be changing smooth way. Or else you can use the remote always. You do can increase the brightness, decrease the brightness according to your taste. But for 499 in Blinkit, I don't think so. You'll get a better lamp than this. Let me just switch it off for 499 bucks, and that is a steal deal on Blinkit. Really, my camera setup is kind of changed now. Just give me a minute. Yeah, it's totally changed because what I did was my DSLR HDMI port went off, so I arranged my webcams in such a way so that you do can see me from all the ends. So if you see here, this my third. Are there other webcam? You can see my computer here. There's my this overhead. Okay, let's start again. Not bad. Touch sensitivity is good in this. And this is the main cam, so that's how it's changed. So I do like the light in that. For nighttime, for parties, everything, it's a good thing on Blinkit. You get for 499 or something. And even in Amazon, it's about the same price. But Blinkit, you get it in 6 minutes. That's the difference. I hope you like this video so far. I do apologize for the quality now, but if you did watch so far, please do go ahead and like, subscribe for the channel, and that'll be helpful. Until next time, this is Kamal, and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful